Hello. Hello. Would you like to hear a song? Or a bit of a song that I just remembered for some weird reason? Hey, Mom, why didn't you warn me? 'Cause about boys is something I should have known. They're like chocolate cake, they're like cigarettes. I know they're bad for me, but I just can't leave them alone. So I walked under a bus. I got hit by a train. I keep falling in love, which is kind of the same. I've sunk out at sea, crashed my car, gone insane, and it felt so good. I wanna do it again. I wanna do it again. Oh, felt so good. Hey, yeah. Was that good? Yeah? Bachelor girl song? Good one? Hey. Yes, I'll keep patting you, okay?